Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pay off credit card debt faster using Bright. Bright helps you to pay off credit card debts faster by using automations and smart payment strategies that are tailored to your finances. First, connect all your credit cards and bank accounts to the Bright app. It will analyze your balance, interest rates, and payment history. Bright then calculates exactly how much you can safely afford to pay towards your debt and uses its Bright balance theory to prioritize where to send payments. Instead of just making minimum payments, Bright automatically makes smarter, faster payments, helping you to cut down your debts and reduce interest costs. You don't have to guess when or how much to pay. Bright does it for you, always using the smartest strategy based on your spending habits and your available cash. By staying consistent and letting Bright handle the heavy lifting, you'll pay off credit card debts faster without stress or manual efforts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.